Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to make a simple circuit using a battery and a motor, and the software which I'm using to build this circuit is called Tinkercad. And then this is the workspace, and then this is the component section where you get all the components. So now I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to show you how to connect this. So now I'm going to get a 9-volt battery, and then rotate it. And then get a hobby gear motor, and then if I want I can rotate the motor also using this. And then now I'm going to connect the positive wire of the battery to the positive terminal of the motor. So you can do it like this, and then the negative wire of the battery to the negative terminal of the motor. So, and then change the positive wire color into red. This is a common color of the wires we use in robotics for positive, that is positive red, and then negative as black. So, and then we have done with the simple circuit. Now, let us check if the circuit is working. So for running the circuit, you can use the button here which is called start simulation. So I'm starting the simulation, and then you can see that the motor is working right now. And then so yeah, that's it for today's video. And then thanks for watching my video. Never forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.